next one. You're like an inch with the bullseye and you're right level with it.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Marisol here again. I hope all is well, and for those who's new here, thank you for tuning in today and welcome. Today I am filming to invite you all to join on a membership of this channel. I look forward to get more connection with you guys and to give me more courage and to create a content and share to you of my knowledge about makeup and recipe that I know, and I love to share that to you as well. And I would like to take this an opportunity to thank you all for all the love and support that you showed me since day one up to now. And I would like to thank you as well, especially my family who's always there for me and supporting me all the way. And I'm not gonna mention any name or one by one, and I know for sure you guys know who you are. And I guess that's all I want to say, and I'm quite excited for all the journey and this milestone that we reached together. Together we can do this. All right, see you soon. Bye. I love you.